Hi, my name is Larry. I'm the owner of Chico Health Insurance and Redding Health Insurance, and we've been the owner for the last 25 years here locally. We recognize that many of you are going to have a difficult time making decisions about our new health care and how to make those, and so we recognize that. If we were to stack all the papers together that's required for this bill, it literally would be as tall as a first grader. So we can see why there's some problems and some difficulties to understand this. The question that I'm asked the most so far is, what's it going to cost me? And what do I get for it? Something else that is very important for you to understand right from the beginning is that no matter if you use me, you go directly to the government site, you use someone that's calling you from San Diego or from Nevada, all of us have the exact same rates. So my point is, you don't need to think that you're going to get a better deal somewhere else, because that's important, because that could create a little anxiety in you, thinking that you need to keep checking to see if you can find a cheaper rates. The answer to that question is no. All the rates are identical. Our firm belief here at Chico Health Insurance is that you'd be better off talking to someone local. The reason why I say that is because we know your hospitals, we know your doctors, our children go to school with your kids, we know this area. But even if you don't use Chico Health Insurance, we will help you understand this process no matter who you use. The truth of the matter is, every single person, every single family, it's all different. What do I mean by that? Is that if you have one family, let's say making $50,000 a year as a family, taxable income, and if you put on $50,000 and 100, your premium is different. Every $100, your premium changes. It changes based upon where you live. It changes upon your taxable income, how many people that you have in your family. Everything's an individualized service. Now let's go to an illustration here. Let's say Gina and John. They're both 35. They live right here by us, and they have 2 children. So it's a family of 4. Now, this family of 4 makes $50,000 a year taxable income. And both kids are under 18. You have Ethan and Ariana. So the total cost for Gina and John is $263 a month. Gina and John could actually make up to $94,000 and still receive premium assistance because it's based upon our income. But there's more to this. Because of Gina and John's income, the 2 kids, Ariana and Ethan, qualify for what used to be called Healthy Families. It's now called Medi-Cal for kids. And the state of California has higher the level of income. So many more people now qualify for Medi-Cal for children. And the amount of doctors has increased also. So Medi-Cal for children is an excellent plan for our kids. But we really haven't answered the question yet. What does Gina and John get for their money? Now you notice this sheet we just brought up. It's called Standard Benefits for Individuals. These are standardized plans now through the whole country. You notice that there's 4 key plans. They're called the metal tier levels: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. The bronze covers 60%, platinum covers 90%. The plan that Gina and John got is the silver plan, and you notice that their prescription deductible is $250. This is a very good plan. Each one of us are individuals. Each one of our families are different. There are no 2 families the same. You're going to need answers specific to your family. That is why Chico Health Insurance has created Talk to Larry. At Talk to Larry, we are individualizing our quoting system just for you, because we know that there's a lot of information out there, and we're going to simplify this process for you. So what we need is to get a few pieces of information from you so we can input this in our quoting system, and we can find an individualized quote for you and the coverages, because that's what is specific to your family, since we're all different, no 2 are the same. And with this, you're also going to get a side-by-side comparison to all those standardized policies. so you can have a pick at which policy that you think best fits you and your family. We will show you in very simple terms, not lawyer talk, how each one of these affects you and your family. It's easy to put things off. We all do it at times. But let's take care of this, and so we can get it off of our minds. Just fill out the form below, and we will take care of the rest. We'll get you your quote, we'll get you the price, we'll get you the coverages, a side-by-side comparison, and at the bottom, if you have any specific questions that you have for me, write them down at the bottom and send them to me. I'll be happy to get back to you.